You guys, today is February 8th, Tuesday, February 8th, and I am about to cook some breakfast. My bed frame is supposed to be delivered today, and then my box spring was supposed to come on Saturday, and it didn't come, so I had it scheduled for redelivery for tomorrow. And then my mattress, they're talking about is COVID delays or whatever, and I don't know when I'm gonna get that mattress. Today, I'm not doing much. I'm just about to cook some breakfast and take my vitamins. Let's cook some breakfast.
Surfer for myself. I don't wanna be left. I don't wanna be left.
Hello you guys, today is February 10th, and I finally got my bed. Well, not all of it. I got my box spring and I got my bed frame, but no mattress. I was gonna put my bed together, what I do have, but I'm gonna hold off on that because right now I'm about to give myself a facial because tomorrow I'm going to be going out to lunch with a friend, and I haven't given myself a facial since before I left, like probably 3-4 weeks ago, so I'm well overdue. I'm about to put y'all up here and I guess show you guys how I do my facials.
Watching you dance, invitation to get in your pants. Come closer, baby, so I can touch. One question: am I moving too fast?
out that my mattress wasn't here and it just came. I'm gonna do all this probably Saturday because I got a lot to do tomorrow. So maybe tomorrow afternoon, maybe. Yes, I got a memory foam mattress. I hope it's comfortable. I never had a memory foam mattress, so we shall see.
Closer, baby, so I can touch one question. Am I moving too fast? 'Cause I ain't leaving alone. Feel like I could be honest, babe. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know, how many drinks would it take you to be with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't wanna waste my time. Back of my mind, I'm hoping you say 2 or 3. You look good, we can have body, but I don't wanna waste my time. Temptation is calling your name. Sweet persuasion, baby, this is a game. Come closer, baby. What you impression is what I'm making you feel. 'Cause I ain't leaving alone. I feel like I could be honest, babe. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know, how many drinks would it take you to be with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't wanna waste my time. Back of my mind, I'm hoping you say 2 or 3. You look good, we can have body, but I don't wanna waste my time. I ain't judging if you do decide that you might be tonight. What? More power to you if you do decide that you might be tonight. I ain't judging if you do decide that you might be tonight. What? More power to you if you do decide that you might be tonight.
Okay, you guys, today is Saturday the 12th, and I'm about to put this bed together. What is wrong? Cat. They've been meowing all morning. What is wrong? Okay, so I'm about to put this bed together. So I'm gonna start off with my box spring first. And then I'm gonna do my headboard, then my mattress. So I don't think I formally introduced you guys to my cats. This is Katniss. She's the mama cat. And this is Fat Jaw. She's the baby cat. Mama. I got a lot that I want to do today. I want to put my beds together, and then I also need to work on my brand. I've been neglecting it the last like month and a half, so I need to rearrange my inventory. Then I also need to take some product shots so I can post it on my Instagram, and then just do a lot of work for it. So I'm gonna do that today, and then clean up my house. So let's get started.
Ay. Ay. Yeah. Ay. Yeah. Ay. 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 Valentine. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. 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 Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. 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 Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. 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 Private Valentino. When I get up all in ya, yeah, when we can hear the angels calling us, yeah, when we can see the sunrise before us, yeah, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. No, 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 like a cop call. Hey. I make it sing. Throwing the buck in the latest drop. I got stopped by a lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler, sounding like a siren. Frustration, watching you dance, hesitation to get in your pants. Come closer, baby, so I can touch. One question, am I moving too fast? Cause I ain't leaving alone. Feel like I could be honest, babe. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know, how many drinks would it take you to leave with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't wanna waste my time. Back of my mind, I'm hoping you say 2 or 3. You look good, we came to party, but I don't wanna waste my time. It's calling your name, sweet persuasion. Baby, this is a game. Come closer, baby. What you impression is what I'm making you feel. Cause I ain't leaving alone. I feel like I could be honest, babe. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know.
Okay, so I got a full-size bed. My last apartment I had a queen, and this room is like a little bit bigger than my previous room, and my queen size bed took up a lot of space, so I wanted to make sure I had like some room to maneuver. I ordered my box spring from Amazon and my mattress from Mattress Firm, both full, but I noticed that the box spring seems like a little too short than like the frame and the mattress, so it's like I think a little bit shorter than a full, but yeah, you can see it's like not lining up completely, but yeah, it's like by 2 different brands. So there's that online too. This is a lavender mattress, and I wasn't sure if it was like infused with lavender or like what, and it is like as soon as I opened up the box, it like just, you can smell the lavender. So I'm like, I wonder how long this is gonna last. Look, I'm toe up. You see this? Girl, this was a struggle. I am tired. I am hot. I will never do this again. Hopefully it's comfortable. Definitely get a mattress that has like a 3-month like return guarantee, just in case you don't like it down the road, because my last bed, I tried it out in store, it felt good, it had good reviews. It was a hybrid plush bed and it felt good, and then like a month or 2 later, like I've been having back pains because that bed was like so unsupportive. So this bed does have a 120 a night, I think, like return guarantee or whatever. So if you don't like it, you can return it. You're supposed to let it rise for 24 to 48 hours, but I'm about to put the sheets on it and then be done with it. This is what it's looking like. I just got this comforter from Walmart for now because I don't know what color scheme I'm gonna go for. Like originally I was gonna get this headboard but in beige because like I said, I always go for the dark colors. So I wanted to do something lighter, but the white or the beige in a full size was out of stock. I don't know what color comforter to get to go with the headboard. So yeah, this is just what it's looking like for now. I do got some room. I don't want no end tables because I've never been a fan of like end tables. It's just like unnecessary furniture because I'm not gonna put nothing in it. So this corner will stay clear because that's my closet, so I just want to have like space to come in and out. And then in this corner I might just get like a plant and put it there. And then in this corner I'm going to get a full-length mirror and stick there. I had one but I had to leave it because it wouldn't fit in my car. This took way longer than I wanted to. It's like 3 o'clock. No, it's past 3 o'clock. It's 3:30. So I said I wanted to do my inventory because as you can see, like during the move, all my inventory got just tore up. So I need to come in and reorganize everything. See, I can't even open this drawer. I don't feel like it, but I need to get it done. And then I gotta take all these boxes to my dumpster. Yeah, let's just get started on all of this. So I'm about to end the vlog here because this vlog is like at 29 minutes and I ran out of space. I film in 4K, but by me not having enough space, I can't upload it in like HD. So sometimes it'd be like no 1080p. So hopefully it'll be decent quality. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here and I will see you guys in my next one.